Hi everyone, hope you're doing absolutely awesome. This is going to be a quick look at a paring knife from Skylight. And as usual, I pay for my own stuff. I'm not a shill like a lot of other channels. So what we have here is a 3.5-inch blade constructed of Japanese AUS-10 V steel, supposedly, with 67 layers, so 33 layers on each side. The layers are not really very distinct though. I have not heard of 10V steel. I've heard of AUS-10 steel and AUS-10A steel, but I don't know what the V designation means, and even if it is a designation. The blade is ground pretty well. Let me give you a close-up of the secondary bevel. It's pretty even across the length of the blade on both sides. Some minor variation and some variation in the angles, but pretty well overall and easy enough to fix on a stone. The handles are constructed of G10. You can see the layers. And the seams are all pretty well done. The transitions are good, nice and smooth. So overall, I think the quality is quite good. The exterior packaging of the knife consists of this triangular cardboard sleeve. Let me show you. And inside is a plastic tray which has a magnet in it, which can be used to retain the knife. So you could keep this in your knife drawer and store the knife like this. And this comes inside of an aluminum triangular sleeve. I really don't know what the purpose of aluminum is. It seems a bit excessive and just like waste of materials. I have no idea what I would do with a triangular aluminum tube. Here's a size comparison next to a Victorinox sheepsfoot paring knife on the bottom. Let's test sharpness out of the box. So here I have a standard sheet of copier paper. It's nice and sharp. The knife weighs 5.2 ounces or 147 grams, which leads me into why I do not like this knife. Basically, this knife feels like a brick, and primarily it's due to the balance, which is way back here. I'd like to see the balance point much closer to the heel of the blade, up near where your index finger would lie. So I just don't like the feel of this knife. Basically, it seems like they grafted the handle of, say, a 10-inch chef's knife onto a 3.5-inch blade, which doesn't make sense. So for that reason, I am not going to keep this knife, even though the construction quality seems quite good. If you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you could subscribe, like, and share, I'd really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'd like to thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye now.